In this video, we'll demonstrate how easy it is to pair and register a new device to your Teknoir account. Here we have a Teknoir development board. It's powered on and ready for pairing. Using the Teknoir app, we can easily add this device to our Teknoir account by following a step-by-step pairing process. Let's try it out. This is the Teknoir Mobile App. It's a great tool for monitoring and configuring devices, as well as adding new devices to your fleet. From the dashboard in the app, we simply press the plus button to add a new device. The app recommends that we use Wi-Fi to find and pair a nearby device, so we'll proceed with the pairing process using the suggested method. Next, the app will search for nearby devices. As we can see, the app discovered a nearby device. Once the connection is established, we can confirm the pairing process and continue configuring the device. Next, we can rename the device to our choosing. If necessary, we can also tag the device according to functionality or other identifying properties, change the user interface icon, and assign the device to a specific group to make the workflow as easy as possible in the app. The next step is connecting the device to a network. In this example, the phone is connected to the dedicated secure Wi-Fi, allowing the app to automatically detect and ask to share the credentials with the device to grant it network access. There we go. The device is now registered to your Teknoir account and can be managed through the app or the Fleet Manager. That's how simple it is to pair and register a new device to your Teknoir account using the Teknoir app. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.